In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at menopause.
Menopause marks the end of a woman's menstrual cycle. It's usually diagnosed after a woman goes 12 months without a menstrual period.
The average age of menopause for us is about age 51. The perimenopause can happen for sometimes 7 to 12 years, and it varies in terms of beginning. So some people start as early as 45, some people start later, like 55. And what we think a good correlation is if you know when your mother actually went into menopause, and that suggests or is a more definitive way of you thinking about when you shall go into menopause as well.
One of the main symptoms is hot flashes.
Women tend to complain about palpitations, so their heart is racing, they're uncomfortable, they feel nervous. And on top of that, they may actually be a bit embarrassed because you could be in a room that's nice and cool and everybody's fine and you are there drenching in sweat, right? So it's associated with a little bit of embarrassment sometimes. Other things are associated with it, like insomnia, problem sleeping, vaginal dryness, having to go to the bathroom more often, and a reduction in the sex drive.
Women usually experience menopause for 4 years, but can experience symptoms for up to 12 years. Women are usually urged to speak with a medical doctor on how to cope.
There are medications that are not hormone replacement therapy that can be used to quell the palpitations and the heart racing and the flushing that you might feel. We also talk about diet because there are some dietary factors that might help to improve the symptoms and some supplements that can help to improve the symptoms, like evening primrose tablets. Vaginal dryness, you may need to use a lubricant. It's not that your sex life is completely over. You just need a little additive help to get you through those time periods. And for your bone health, we suggest supplementation with vitamin D and calcium and some general low impact exercise as well.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.